We'll guide you through how to avoid common ChatGPT fails and get the most out of your AI interactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website and make sure you're logged into your account. It's important to start with a clear and specific prompt. Clearly define what you're asking to avoid any misunderstandings or off-topic responses. For instance, instead of saying, "Tell me about history," you could say, "Can you give me a brief overview of the major events of World War II?" This helps the AI focus on what you really want to know. Next, if the response is not quite right or seems off-topic, try rephrasing your question. Sometimes changing the wording or adding more detail can greatly improve the results. If you're looking for detailed information, consider breaking down your request into smaller, more manageable parts. For example, instead of asking for a full report in one go, ask for information on one aspect at a time. This makes it easier for ChatGPT to provide thorough responses. Another tip is to use the regenerate response feature if the initial answer isn't satisfactory. This option can give you a fresh perspective on the same question, often leading to better results. Additionally, provide feedback on the responses. If you notice patterns where the AI frequently misunderstands or misses the mark, leaving feedback helps improve its future performance. Lastly, keep in mind that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's always a good idea to verify critical information from reliable sources. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.